Unlocking the meaning of be worth one's salt. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, be worth one's salt. This phrase has a rich history and a meaning that's deeply rooted in language and culture. Whether you're learning English or just love exploring idiomatic expressions, you're in for a treat. Let's decode what it means to be worth one's salt, and how you can use it in everyday conversations. Be worth one's salt is an idiomatic expression used to describe someone who is competent, skilled, and deserving of their position or salary. Essentially, if someone is said to be worth their salt, it means they are valuable and effective in what they do. This phrase emphasizes the worthiness and capability of an individual in their professional or personal endeavors. The origin of be worth one's salt takes us back to ancient times when salt was a highly valuable commodity. In fact, salt was so valuable that it was sometimes used as currency or as part of a salary. The word salary itself comes from the Latin word salarium, which refers to payments made to Roman soldiers for the purchase of salt. Therefore, saying someone is worth their salt harks back to the idea of being worth the salt, or salary, one receives, a testament to one's value and efficiency. Using be worth one's salt in conversation can add a touch of sophistication and historical flair. Here are a few examples to illustrate how you might use this expression. In a professional context, our project manager is truly worth her salt. She led us to complete the project ahead of schedule. In everyday situations, you need a mechanic who's worth his salt to look at your car. To express respect or admiration, any teacher worth their salt would go the extra mile for their students. Remember, while the phrase is complimentary, it's best used in contexts where the individual's competence or effectiveness is being highlighted. And there you have it, the meaning, origin, and use of the expression, be worth one's salt. It's a testament to the fascinating ways language evolves, connecting the past with the present. We hope this video has enriched your understanding of English idioms and perhaps even added a new phrase to your vocabulary. Until next time, keep exploring the depths of the English language, and may you always be worth your salt in your endeavors. Thank you for watching.